Well, hello there, my friends. My name is Stephen Young, and I am the founder of Trifecta Dining Experience at Walt Disney World's Hollywood Studios. Here at Trifecta, you and your beautiful family, small or large, will always expect a couple of things. You will always get a great batch of food, as well as an amazing dining experience. Oh, now this is where I get very excited. Oh, see restaurant, she's broken into 3 sections. You got the appetizer, the dinner, and the dessert. The dessert is very good, but I'll tell you about that later. Anyway, okay, so appetizer, you get a very nice dining experience, top notch, I tell you, it's beautiful. Next, you do a whole new set. You go into a whole new setting. It's completely ridiculous. No one is doing this. So dinner, yeah, you get laid back. You get mama's cooking, grandmama's cooking. You get a little meatloaf. Meatloaf is delicious. And then you are moved on to the next section. Is dessert. Dessert. What do you want as a dessert? It's a 1950s American style dessert bar. Yes, you sit there. You get the sundae. You get the pie. Get whatever you want. We gonna make it for you. You come ask me if they don't have what you want. I'm gonna get it for you. I am not Italian. I'm not. So if you're ever in the Walt Disney World area, just come by Trifecta. She's waiting for you, and she is beautiful.